Premiere Pro is part of the subscription to the Adobe Creative Cloud. There's a link in the description below for that and helpful books if you wanted to check them out. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I'm using Premiere Pro. Wanted to show you how you can record from a specific spot in your video. A lot of the times the problem is as you start to hit the record button, which is this button right over here on a particular track, rather than starting at the point in the timeline that you're wanting to record from, like say I wanted to record over here, if I hit this record button, it'll start back at the beginning of the track. So I'll show you that real quick. Here it is starting back at the beginning of the track, and once I'm done, I hit that, and now it's recorded in this spot here. So I'm going to edit, undo that. You see it deleted the clip there. But if you wanted to start at a particular point in your video, what you can do here is drag on the timeline and use the I button. That's going to be your input. It's going to set the input time. You can also set an output time by hitting the O button, but most specifically all you're really concerned with is setting that I button. And then now when I hit record, it'll record right from that spot on the timeline, and I'll show you that here. Once I hit stop, you see it added my deal to the timeline, and then I'm able to play that back. I'm not sure this will play out loud for us. It's saying what I said before, it'll record from that spot right on the timeline. And that's an easy way to record from a specific spot in your video. And then of course we'd have to reset this back when you're done. You can just drag these back over to finish what you're doing. But that's how you can record from a specific spot in your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. This one's Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. And I should mention you'll just want to record onto a track where there is nothing else or a section that you don't mind recording over. Hope you find this video and this channel helpful. Subscribe if you'd like to see more tips on the most likely tasks and repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime.